President Emerson Mnangagwa said the government worked on the Zimbabwe gold ZiG currency for at least 2 years before introduction. Sanapinda mashoko ataona Idi Mnangagwa achiti aiwa vakafambira nhau the ZiG 2 years before vasati vaintroducer. Izvo zvakukontradicta nemashoko akambotaura vachiti aiwa it was an initiation at the World Bank. Notibva wasubscribe like otina on the bell icon. Notipinda munhu wamonyugwa muchinzi. The ZiG was launched by Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe's new governor John Mushavano during his inaugural monetary policy statement on 5 April 2024. Speaking to Russian media outlets in St. Petersburg, Russia, Mnangagwa said Zimbabwe has enough gold in its reserves to back the ZiG, he said via the Sand Mill. The focus is on our currency, gold backed, and we have worked for 2 years to have it. We have more than enough reserves to back the currency. All along, we've been using other countries' currency, and now we introduced our new currency backed by gold. But we still have other currencies in circulation, and we are happy we have solid gold and solid currency backed by gold. Before I introduced the ZiG, we had researched for 2 years, and we realized we wanted a solid, structured gold reserve-backed currency. Ndomashoko anotogwa naIdi Mnangagwa aiwa ari kurasha achiti aiwa satatointroducer this new currency the ZiG tatatoita investigation tafambira now is 2 years ago. Aiwa muri Zimbabwe chipotudze mafungiro enyu nokudii pamusoro pemashoko ake nokuti anoendera mberi achiti we've been using other currencies dzekune dzimwe nyika, but izvezvi aiwa we've come with an initiative yekuisa currency yedu iri backed by the gold. Saka chimbotudze mafungiro enyu munokudii pamusoro pemashoko aIdi Mnangagwa kurussia. Pinai comment section medu mutudze mafungiro enyu, musano subscribe kulike, tinoti on the bell icon.